What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're starting with a product highlight from our sponsor Summa Performance. This is their high performance ceramic coating spray that is super easy to apply and gives you that show car finish you're looking for instantly. Our 64 Corvette looks absolutely amazing, from the ceramic layer that protects the paint at a nano level and repels dirt at the same time. So quit paying hundreds of dollars for overpriced detail shops and start doing it yourself for a fraction of the price. Just one application lasts up to 6 months, but it is recommended by Summa to reapply every 3 months to maintain the high gloss finish. Visit summadetail.com to get you a bottle of their ceramic spray and check out all the performance products Summa offers. So again, visit summadetail.com. I'll also leave a link in the description to their website. Thanks guys. I'll leave you now with some beautiful shots of our fully restored 64 Corvette, completely ceramic coated and looking amazing. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do an update video today on the 64 Corvette, since pretty much got it about 90% finished with the details, and you guys haven't really got to see it much since we got a lot of the stuff hung back on it, and it really just turned out absolutely stunning. The car just looks unbelievable now. Let me get you turned around so you can see it up close. Yeah, so I mean, look at this thing. It looks unbelievable. The bumpers on, all the emblems, the trim, the tops on it. Just turned out like a super nice car. Even impressed me with the paint job we did on it. Turned out beautiful. Got the whole interior on it. Looks great. Everything went back in really nice, clean. Just turned out super nice. Just some close-up action shots of the paint. And for you guys that haven't been following this build, it's a 1964. It's got the 327 4-speed in it. It's an all original car. And it was a really nice project that we found to begin with, a really straight car. You guys should go back and watch my other videos of the paint process that we did on it. We took it from bare fiberglass all the way up to this point. And there's 4 other videos you can watch us go through all the processes of the paint. Really see how nice it turned out. Just a really nice straight car. you guys, if you like this project update, leave me some comments down below about what you think about how the Vette turned out. I think it turned out pretty nice. Looks flawless and couldn't be happier with it. So you guys get to go back and watch how this thing came together, and just let me know what you think about the car. We think it's absolutely beautiful, so I'd like to hear what you guys' thoughts are on it and how the project came along. And if you guys are digging the content, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure to watch for further projects. And I appreciate the subscribers and everybody that's been commenting already on everything that's been going on the channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Later.